Alright, this is number 3. You got your yellow wire hooked to the purple wire. The purple wire runs back here on this conjunction block. Then the conjunction block runs back up to here to your fan speed, which is on high speed. Then we come back up here top again. You got your black wire off your motor that's running on the black wire, and the black wire runs to that conjunction box. But that wire there goes all the way back down to the contacts right there. So it gets hot when the motor is energized. It does not have a running capacitor in it. It went around, it looked like. Yep. Right there. They went around that. So they didn't use that capacitor on this go-round. So they had a capacitor already on there, on the motor. Because this motor here has got a capacitor on it. See them 2 brown wires there? And you got your black and yellow wire. Then you got your reversing wires. So, the next time you get this motor, you put in your capacitor, you hook the black to the black, which would run to that block, and on the other side, that block should run down to the contacts. Your purple wire, which would be your yellow wire here. The yellow wire should run to the purple wire, whatever wire you got, to the same block but on top, and this should run back to the fan speed. Do not tie a capacitor in there, because this has already got a capacitor in it. So do not tie a capacitor in it. I guess, well, you can tie a capacitor in it. Let me go back. Yeah. But do not tie a capacitor from this capacitor here on the unit, because your motor will come with a capacitor right there. Right there. You take this one out.